Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have covered top 30 science MCQs which are important for all competitive exams like RRB and other railway related tests. So, if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Which type of energy is used in railway engines that operate on diesel? Correct answer is option A, chemical energy. What is the standard gauge width for railway tracks in India? Correct answer is option A, 1.676 meters. Which material is primarily used to manufacture railway tracks? Correct answer is option C, steel. Which type of braking system is commonly used in modern trains? Correct answer is option B, air brakes. What is the function of a pantograph in electric trains? Correct answer is option C, to collect electricity from overhead lines. Who invented the steam locomotive? Correct answer is option B, George Stephenson. Which type of engine is used in Indian Railways for high-speed trains? Correct answer is option C, electric engine. What is the main source of energy for magnetic levitation trains? Correct answer is option C, magnetic fields. What is the primary function of a ballast in railway tracks? Correct answer is option D, both A and B. What is the maximum permissible speed for bullet trains? Correct answer is option B, 320 km per hour. Which type of railway signal is commonly used? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. What does the abbreviation LHB stand for in Indian Railways? Correct answer is option B. Which component reduces the wear and tear on railway wheels? Correct answer is option B, axle bearings. Which railway zone has the largest network in India? Correct answer is option A, Northern Railway. What is the role of a bogie in a train? Correct answer is option B, it supports and balances the train. What is the significance of the Shinkansen in Japan? Correct answer is option B, high-speed bullet trains. Which gas is used in air-conditioned railway coach? Correct answer is option C, freon. What type of train runs without a driver? Correct answer is option C, autonomous train. Which is the fastest train in India as of 2024? Correct answer is option C, Vande Bharat Express. What is the purpose of an axle counter in railways? Correct answer is option B, to detect track occupancy. Which mechanism is used to switch trains between tracks? Correct answer is option B, rail switch. What does the term EMU stand for in railways? Correct answer is option B, electric multiple unit. What is the major advantage of electrified railways? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. What is the purpose of catenary wires in railways? Correct answer is option C, to transmit electric current. Which instrument measures the speed of a train? Correct answer is option B, speedometer. What is the approximate lifespan of railway tracks? Correct answer is option C, 20 to 30 years. Which railway project connects China to Europe? Correct answer is option D, China-Europe Railway Express. Which signaling system is used in metro trains? Correct answer is option B, continuous automatic train control. What is the primary purpose of sleeper beds under railway tracks? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. What is regenerative braking in trains? Correct answer is option B, recycles braking energy into electricity.